Hi, everybody. Chris Bach here, Chief Old Guy at Station for the Nation's Radio. I may pay the bills, but it's our unbelievably talented group of DJs and support staff that keep S4NR running at full speed and on all cylinders. Great music, great conversation, great people, and great friends. Thanks for tuning us in and for making S4NR part of your listening day each day and every day. Check us out on the web at www.s4nr.com.
Hey guys, this is Perry Henson of Tri-City Local Music, and we are looking for sponsors for a music festival this summer in Greenville, Tennessee. If you are interested in sponsorship or setting up a booth at this two-day event, please email us at tricitylocalmusic@gmail.com, all lowercase letters, and we would love to give you more details. This event will include 20 local and regional bands with 2 national acts. Come help us start an annual music festival here in Greenville, Tennessee. Again, for more info, please email us at tricitylocalmusic@gmail.com. Thank you from Tri-City Local Music.